Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I've got a biofalls 1000 set up in my bathroom. Now I thought it'd be interesting to show you what it actually looks like and operates in your pond environment in a bath, believe it or not. Quite weird, I know, but I thought I'd show you how this biofalls system works. In principle, I'll give you an idea what it looks like. I've connected it up to a pump in my bathroom, and I just want to show you how it works. You'll pick these up for about £400 in the UK, and I think they're about maybe $500 in the US. But I just wanted to show you this running, and then you can see for yourself how it works. So let's have a look at it. So we have the Aquascape 1000 biofalls here. It comes with two filter media sponges which are heavy duty. These are very coarse, so that comes in the package, as well as lots of fittings. Also comes with a large media bag for putting your various types of stones, ceramics, or lava rock, and it also comes with a spillway, a piece of plastic like this. In principle, you can put this in different ways. You can put it on that way, you can cut it and put your rock directly onto here, but you could actually use this in a wooden pond as well as a spillway. Let's just have a look how it performs. Now hopefully you can see that in the video, but as you can see, I'm just demonstrating how it works, and it would empty water into your pond to add aeration into your pond. So you could have this in a block pond, you could have this in a wood pond, you could have this in a traditional pond and hide this, but I just wanted to demonstrate how it works. And hopefully this video is informative and gives you an idea how the biofalls 1000 actually operates. In principle, you just dig this in the ground, and you rock this in and you foam it in with waterfall foam, and you put your rocks literally against there, and then you hide all this. But in sort of a wooden pond or a concrete pond, you won't hide it. You might put this in a wooden box so it's not obvious, and use this as a good aeration instead of using a metal blade. Why would you use this instead of a metal blade, you might be asking? Quite simply put, these sponges and this bag that you can use will mean you'll be able to have a good filtration system all in one. You don't need your barrels, just this. So in this, you could use this as an all-in-one filter system. Why do I say that? Well, it comes with two sponges. It comes with a nice netted bag for putting your filter media in, such as lava rock or ceramics, and it's a good all-in-one system. So let's move this over a little bit so you can see it. And as you can see, it's just as good as a metal blade. What you could do is you could hide this in a wooden box and hide this away in a corner somewhere, and you should use this as a spillway into your wooden pond if you have one, rather than use this in a traditional pond. I hope this video was helpful to you to find out about the biofalls 1000 from Aquascape. You do get multiple fittings. In principle, the main fitting is 2" to whatever size you want to put on. You can use various sizes of pipe, and I just wanted to do a bit of a showcase of this so you can have a look for yourself how the biofalls operates.